Hello beautiful people! So the time has come where I should really be thinking about heading back towards the UK. Great. Well, I've got a slight problem. My plan was to go from Bilbao to Portsmouth and cut out the whole long drive through France, and I've just gone to see if I can book a ferry to find that there are no ferries available. Every ferry is fully booked for dogs. I could go on my own, but I've been leaving Ted here. Speaking of Ted, he's gone out for a wee somewhere, and I better go and get him in a second. But anyway, that's changed my plans slightly. I was hoping to be back in the UK for mid-March. I've got some exciting projects that I'm going to be getting involved in when I get back. I'll talk more on those later. So in the meantime, while the weather is absolutely appalling here in the Algarve, even worse in the UK, I'm now going to head to the south of Spain for a while and work my way up Spain through France and get the ferry that way. The ferry is available from Dieppe to New Haven, which is the same crossing that I came over on, and that's what I'm going to aim for. So today is going to be a fun day. We're going to go and do washing, laundry and everything else, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how you do this while abroad if you don't want to use washing machines that are provided by the laundrettes. I don't like using them because the chemicals that they use in the detergent that they provide are too strong for me. I'm sensitive to chemicals like that. I will come out in rashes of all sorts. So I have to wash my clothes by hand, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go have some fun. Fun. I use that term loosely. Go on. When it comes to doing the washing in Portugal, or abroad even, I don't like using the detergents in the washing machines, as I said, so I use my Soap Nuts washing detergent. Give everything a nice soaking in the bowl. Leave the bowl full of water while I'm driving because the water vibrating is like a washing machine effect. And then we go and rinse it outside in the communal washing place. I'll show you that now. And now we're going to Intermarché to use the tumble dryer. A lot of the Intermarché supermarkets, the petrol stations, have motorhome toilet emptying points, water fill up and grey waste drainage. So I've come here just to empty the loo. I'm going to spare you the details of filming the actual emptying of the loo. You're not going to want to see that, but I will show you the facilities that are here. So this here is water, and around the side here is where you empty the loo. It's a delightful thing to pick up. But yeah, you empty your toilet into there, you've got a flusher there, and you can also wash your cassette out as well. So I'm going to do that now. As I say, I'll spare you the details of this, but you get the gist.
It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.
So when having a dog is really useful when you spill a load of stuff in the fridge, and yeah, somebody's helping. So with a full tank of fuel and empty toilet and full water, we're heading to Spain. But on the way, we stopped off at an old favourite beach, and check this out, it has changed so much with the storms. This is the exact same beach that we went off in the kayak exploring the caves, and after the storms, look at the difference. We've got boulders everywhere, and just over there, a new sea cave has appeared. Let's go have a look. Look at this. Goes right in. As you can see, I've already been and had a quick look first by the sand. But basically, I am the first person to come in here, by the looks of it. The sea has opened it right up, and look inside another room. And right up there is the sky. This goes a long way in, and to think this was actually full of sand like a day ago. Uh-oh, now the tide's come in, so I think it's time to get back up there before this water comes right back in. After doing a little bit of research online, I've just found that I can't get a data sim in Spain for a reasonable price. It's like 15 euros for 1.5 gig, which would mean I wouldn't even be able to upload a video. Now, a big part of my travelling around is making the videos and sharing it with you guys. So for me to not be able to do that does put a bit of a spanner in the works. So as I've got quite a bit of data left at the moment in Portugal, I'm going to head about 10 miles north to a barragem, which is supposed to be a nice one, hopefully, and I'll stay there for a little bit and try and work out what to do next. So let's go for a little drive and find this barragem. So last night I parked up on this barragem, which would have been absolutely delightful, except the wind, as you can probably see now, even the van is swaying like, yeah, it's not nice. And the rain was torrential. We even tried to go for a quick walk yesterday, Ted and I, but the rain beat us, we had to come running back. So my plan now is I'm going to head over to Spain, and I think when I get to Seville, I'm going to turn left and start going north and make my way back to the UK, because I've got some really exciting plans and projects that I want to get started on as soon as I get back to England. So I'm going to head back now, and a little bit later on I'm going to talk to you about what these exciting plans are. I've got some exciting news. Let's go. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on BeyondTheVan.com. See you soon.